Welcome to the first daily meditation. If you're new to meditation, I want you to let go of any expectations of what you think is going to happen while you meditate. Because I think a lot of people think they're doing it wrong and they're failing. And so today, and as you start to go through these meditations, I want you to just see if you can experience what's happening instead of worrying about whether or not you're doing it right. So I wanted to start today with a breathing exercise. Most of you that are doing this probably have done yoga and you practice breathing in your yoga classes. And so I think it's a nice way to get into meditation because breathing is meditation. We're really just trying to bring focus and not be so distracted. So we're going to start with a pretty simple breathing exercise today. It's just called three-part breath, where you breathe from the belly up to the top of the chest and back down. So before we start, just find a comfortable seat. And wherever you land, just root through your sit bones so you feel the support of whatever is underneath you. And as you feel that support and that rooting, just gently lift up through the top of the head. So you feel your spine elongate. You feel nice and tall, but with no effort, so everything feels soft. And then close your eyes. And just let your face soften. Let the neck and shoulders soften. And as you find this place of comfort and stillness, just bring awareness to your breath. Don't try and change it. Just notice the quality and the texture of the breath. Does it feel quick? Does it feel slow? Maybe deep or shallow? And maybe just notice how bringing attention to the breath has changed the quality of it without really intentionally trying to make that happen. Now just take your right hand and rest it on your belly. With the hand there, just feel the belly rise and fall with each cycle of breath. Feel that expansion on the inhale and the softening on the exhale. So just continue to notice that without trying to force the movement of the belly, just letting it happen naturally. And then just release that hand, place it back in the lap for a moment. And then take your left hand and place it in the center of the chest. And just feel the gentle rise and fall of the chest with each cycle of breath. Gentle expansion on the inhale, softening on the exhale. Just noticing that ebb and flow. And then relax that hand down into the lap. And just pause and notice how you feel. And then just take your fingertips and rest them on your collarbones. This might feel a little more subtle, but just like you did with the belly and the chest, just feel the movement of the collarbones with each cycle of breath. Be a lifting on the inhale and a falling on the exhale. And just relax the hands back to your lap. Pause and notice. And then just combining those three things. So if you find it helpful to have your hands touching you, right hand to belly, left hand to chest. And don't force this and just explore. On your next inhale, breathe into the belly, into the chest, all the way up to the collarbone. And on the exhale, let that fall from collarbones to chest to belly. Inhale, expand belly, chest, collarbone. Exhale, collarbones, chest, belly. You can think of a thermometer here. As you inhale, notice that rising all the way up. And exhale, imagine that it's falling back down. Just taking that on your own, breathing bottom to top on the inhale. And top to bottom on the exhale. Again, not forcing it, letting the breath be soft as if the breath is breathing you. And just relax the hands to the lap again. Just a couple more breaths here, maybe letting go of that three-part breath and just letting your breath become natural. Just noticing if the quality and the texture has changed since the beginning. And take a deep inhale through your nose. Soft exhale out the mouth, let it go. Keeping your eyes closed, just draw your hands to heart center, palms pressing into one another. Know that you have the power over your own breath. Sometimes it just takes an awareness of the breath to be able to slow it down, make it a little more smooth. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.